Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of percentile. So, the percentile is simply a measure that indicates the relative standing of a value in the given data set. Simple terms, if the pth percentile means the value below which p% of the data falls. So for understanding, we will take one example and how to calculate the percentile. Before that, what is the popular percentage we are using? 25th percentile. Simply this is called the lower quartile or first quartile. 50th percentile. Simply the middle quarter. And 75th percentile. This is the third quarter. Generally, these are different percentages that are regularly using. Now, for the given data set, how do we calculate the percentage? So, consider one example data set. Suppose some example data set 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Assume this is my data set. Now for this data set, I am calculating the percentage. Now how? For that, the formula is in the sorted data set. Observe, in the sorted data set, the pth percentile is p by 100 into the number of elements. P by 100 into number of elements. This is the index. Now, right now, I am calculating 25th percentile. What is the index? 25 by 100 into the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10. The number of elements. Simple thing. 0, 0. And here what is the value? 2.5. Value is 2.5. Assume after calculation, if you are getting an integer value, assume, for example, I have total 12 elements. I have total 12 elements. What is the calculation? Suppose 25 by 100 into 12, 143. So we are getting a value 3. We are getting a value 3. Now the 25th percentile is simply the value at position 3. Simply the value at position 3. Clear? Suppose if you are getting an decimal value, simply you need to interpolate between 2 and 3. What the value you are getting? 2.5. Simply take the average between 2 to 3. Take the average between 2 to 3. So, these are the two numbers. First number, second, third. So, average 15 plus 20, 35 by 2, that is 17.5. Now, what is the 25th percentile for this example? 17.5. Got it? If you directly get the integer at that position, my value is available. So now I will calculate one more percentile. Suppose calculate some 75th percentile. So simply how? 75 by 100 into 10. 75 by 100 into 10. Simply what is the answer? 7.5. Take the average between 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 40 plus 45, 85. 85 by 2, that is 42.5. This is the 75th percentile for this value. You got it? This is the way to calculate the percentage. These percentages are used to calculate interquartile range, and the interquartile range are used to identify the outliers. So what is the main aim? To identify how spread out the data. Based on that, we are identify the outliers. That is the main thing. So based on the percentile, in the next session we will calculate IQ or interquartile range. Thank you.